Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create Instagram post in Canva. So let's start. First, in Instagram post have show 4x5, then add product image, then add table background, then add heading, write chicken biryani, then download that text in PNG form. Now go to add section and search for transform image. Choose that image until like this. Then add to design. Then go to heading section and write this. I wrote this line because our biryani is spicy and salty. So now add logo. Set the font style. Change color to white. Then again add some contact details. Write order now and contact number. Copy that font style and paste over there. Now it's time to add some element related with that biryani. Because of spices feature, add little bit chili curds. Then add onion slice, spring onion, then again add lemon slice, these are all elements related with that biryani. Because of this element, our post a little bit see attractive. Now add some blur effect. Some elements and arrow and little bit of shadow and chicken biryani image. So our design is ready. Download that image. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you like this. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.